Hey guys, welcome back to Delf Stack. Today I will be showing you how to use Spotify on a Brave browser. So guys, in order for you to do this, first things first is you could just simply go ahead and go to spotify.com in order for you to use Spotify on a Brave browser. And from here, as you can see right away, you should be able to see the interface or the homepage of Spotify. And to log in, you can just simply select log in on the top right corner over here. And now you can continue with your Google, Facebook, or Apple, or just simply provide your username and password manually in order for you to proceed with this process. And now guys, once you have logged in into your account, as you can see, just simply play something and you should be able to use the Spotify. You should be able to see what is currently playing, and they will have the music video on the right side of the screen. And you should be able to see the information about the artist, and pretty much over here you should be able to utilize these features as well, like lyrics. You will have your cue on what music will play next. You can connect it to a device, and pretty much you can do a bunch of things, and you can even open a mini player. So you will have these options right here even if you go to something else. Pretty much that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.